Guys, it's a new day today. We on Connor, Louise, and the grand Jeep SRT. So we got a big boy in today. It's looking fire. Sounds crazy as well. He is a vinyl rapper, so if you guys want to check him out, Prestige Pro Films, best in the area apparently. That's his IG. But he's gonna be getting 900 stars, guys. So it should be quite interesting. No suede, nothing like that. He's gonna be keeping his beige interior. So we're about to be taking out the Jeep outwards. About to be starting getting work done on it. Alright, so now guys, we are making our module classes, so we're gonna be doing a lot of recording for our module. So if you guys want to know how we fully disassemble and work on these cars, guys, we're going to be dropping a course. So once it's up and ready, I'll be linking it always under the video so you guys can see the full tutorial on how to uninstall a car, how to do suede, how to put stars in it, how to hide everything. So you guys are going to know exactly how to do stars on your own car. So stay tuned, guys. Big projects coming very soon. And just like that, guys, we got the headliner out. It's about to be ready to put dots and then start fitting stars through it. It's looking pretty fire. Alright guys, so we have the headliner done now, so we're about to be putting it in the car. Should be very interesting. Alright guys, didn't record much for this one, but this is how it came out looking. Overall, beautiful all around. So this is how the Jeep SRT came out.